Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're counting down 20 amazing, weird, and mind-blowing events that took place on October 5 throughout history. From iconic celebrity births to unforgettable moments, we got everything that will keep you hooked. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the most interesting historical facts and celebrity moments. Number 20. On October 5, 1951, Karen Allen, star of Raiders of the Lost Ark, was born. Now 73, she remains an iconic figure in adventure films as Marion Ravenwood. Number 19. October 5, 1962. The Beatles released their first single, Love Me Do. At 22, Paul McCartney and John Lennon began their journey to global superstardom. Number 18. On October 5, 1975, Kate Winslet was born. The Titanic star turns 48 today, continuing to shine in both blockbuster films and critically acclaimed performances. Number 17. On October 5, 1969, Monty Python's Flying Circus premiered on the BBC. At 27, John Cleese and his crew introduced surreal British comedy to the world. Number 16. On October 5, 1989, Trey Parker and Matt Stone debuted the first South Park short film. Both were 20, paving the way for their irreverent animated series. Number 15. On October 5, 2005, Kevin Federline released his debut rap album. At 27, he shot to fame for more than just being Britney Spears' ex, but the critics weren't kind. Number 14. On October 5, 1961, Marlon Brando starred in One-Eyed Jacks. The legendary actor was 37 when he directed and starred in this classic Western film. Number 13. October 5, 1925. Josephine Baker became the first black woman to star in a major motion picture with Siren of the Tropics. She was 19 and broke new ground. Number 12. On October 5, 1941, Louis Armstrong released his groundbreaking album Swing That Music. At 40, Satchmo was just beginning to leave an indelible mark on jazz. Number 11. On October 5, 1974, David Bowie released his hit song Rebel Rebel. He was 27, and this track became a rock anthem for generations. Number 10. On October 5, 1970, Led Zeppelin III was released. At 26, Jimmy Page and the band blended acoustic and hard rock, cementing their legendary status in music history. Number 9. October 5, 2001. Zoolander premiered in theaters. At 35, Ben Stiller directed and starred in the now iconic comedy about male modeling, giving us endless meme-worthy moments. Number 8. On October 5, 1993, Pearl Jam released their second album, Versus, at 28. Eddie Vedder and the band broke records, selling nearly 1 million copies in its first week. Number 7. On October 5, 1969, Led Zeppelin kicked off their first U.S. tour as headliners. At 25, Jimmy Page and the band were on the brink of rock superstardom. Number 6. On October 5, 1962, the first James Bond movie, Dr. No, premiered. Sean Connery, aged 32, debuted as 007, forever linking his name to the iconic spy. Number 5. On October 5, 1957, Walter Cronkite became anchor of CBS Evening News. At 40, he would go on to become one of the most trusted voices in journalism. Number 4. On October 5, 2000, Gilmore Girls premiered on the WB. Lauren Graham, then 33, became synonymous with the quick-witted and lovable Lorelai Gilmore. Number 3. On October 5, 1984, Stevie Wonder released I Just Called to Say I Love You. At 34, Wonder gifted the world one of the most enduring love songs ever. Number 2. On October 5, 1950, Ray Kroc opened his first McDonald's franchise, changing fast food history forever. He was 48 and revolutionized how the world eats. Number 1. On October 5, 2004, Facebook expanded beyond Harvard to other U.S. colleges. Mark Zuckerberg, then 20, was beginning to build what would become one of the largest social platforms on the planet. If these October 5 celebrity facts blew your mind, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to Celebrities in History. More fascinating moments in celebrity history are coming your way. Don't miss out.